I begin with the name of Allah, who is most kind, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In today's lecture, we will study the topic writing skills that is given in our lesson 6. So, firstly, we will look at the meaning of writing. Writing means sharing. It's part of the human condition to want to share things, thoughts, ideas, and opinions. Now, come towards writing skills. Writing skills are specific abilities which help writers put their thoughts into words in a meaningful form and to mentally interact with the message. मीन्स ख्यालात को अच्छे अंदाज से लफ्ज़ों की सूरत में बयान करना लिखने की सलाहियत कहलाता है. Writing skills are an important part of communication. Good writing skills allow you to communicate your message with clarity and ease. The communication take place to a far larger audience than through face-to-face or telephone conversations. So we can say writing is the painting of the voice. Types of writing: emails, letters, free writing, easy writing, independent writing, narrative writing, expository writing, persuasive writing. In today's lecture, we will discuss letter writing. So, what is letter? A written or printed communication directed to a person or organization. Kinds of letters. There are two kinds of letters: informal letter and formal letter. Definition of informal letter. An informal letter is a letter you would write to a friend or family. यानी कि ये ख़त जो है हम अपने दोस्तों को और अपने रिलेटिव्स को, रिश्तेदारों को लिखते हैं. Formal letter. A formal letter is a letter written to a business, a college, or any professional that are not considered friends or family. बेटा ये आपके सामने सैम्पल फॉर्मेट है लेटर का, यानी कि लेटर को लिखना स्टार्ट कहाँ से करते हैं और कैसे करते हैं. सबसे पहले हम हेडिंग लिखते हैं, देन ग्रीटिंग, उसके बाद बॉडी. इसको लिखने के बाद हम अपने लेटर को एंड करते हैं, यानी कि क्लोजिंग पार्ट आता है, और देन सिग्नेचर.